Here is the second lesson in the pronunciation workshop, and it's on falling intonation in questions. So, intonation, as you know, is the rising and the falling of your voice and the tone of your voice, and it gives meaning and adds feeling to speech. Okay, so I'm using intonation as I speak right now. It adds meaning to speech, and it's rather than speaking in a kind of monotone and avoiding using intonation. Intonation is so effective that it can actually substitute punctuation and even correct grammar. For example, if I say you like chocolate, this is not a question form. However, if I add the right intonation, it can become a question. You like chocolate? Okay. So, when asking WH questions, which are questions that begin with what, when, where, why, who, whose, even how, also known as information questions, because the reply is information rather than yes and no. In English, we tend to lower our voice at the end of the question, producing the effect of falling intonation. So, what's your name? Notice how my voice falls at the end. Are you feeling okay? What's for dinner? In yes and no questions, on the other hand, we tend to raise our voice or, rise our intonation at the end. Do you like me? Are you married? Have they finished yet? Usually, intonation drops at the end of a sentence to indicate certainty, so a true statement. It's raining. I'm certain. It's Friday tomorrow. Or in an order or command, an order or command will also have falling intonation at the end of a sentence. For example, do your homework. Put your phone away. Whereas if you write, with rising intonation at the end, it means that you're more curious or you want to know something. So, did you put your phone away? Are we going out? So, do you see the difference? I would like you to try different questions, and even statements with rising and falling intonation at the end, and try and figure out the differences, the subtleties and difference in meaning as you use rising and falling intonation at the end. Please keep in mind that intonation in English is very different from Portuguese. Okay, thank you.